Good day and welcome again to another 8downloads.com software preview, and this is Chris. And we got an email from a user asking us how can they know about video resolution using media info. And of course, on our previous videos, we talked about using media info to determine the type of media and the information of your media. So this time, what we're going to do is basically we will show the you all how you can find the resolution. But first, if you haven't gotten media info yet, you can go ahead and go to 8downloads.com/media info and download it now. Now, once you have downloaded and installed it, then let's go ahead and proceed. So let's open a file. This time I'm going to open a different video and let's see. Okay, let's try to open this video from one of my collections. There you go. So this is a good one. It's a movie actually. Okay, once you open that on the basic mode, it wouldn't show what specific resolution it has, except as you will see it here. Now, if you want to view it more, you can either select the 3 view, which you would scroll up on the video section here, and then you would see the resolution is 72 pixels by 384 by 720. So that means you have to take note of the width and the height. That is your resolution. You can go ahead and select the text view, which will give you a more better view of your resolution. There you go. So this is Chris saying have a great day to all, and thanks for viewing this video, and I hope this video has helped you. Have a great day.